I've tested hundreds of AI tools, but this one, it completely blew my mind. It lets you create high-quality cinematic videos with a consistent character for free. And the best part? You don't need to train a complex model or upload hundreds of images. All you need is one single image of your character and you can generate multiple scenes for your storytelling project, AI movie, or even an AI influencer, all while keeping your character perfectly consistent across every shot. This tool has been around for a while, but they just dropped their new model, and it's seriously impressive. All the videos you just saw, including this one, were generated from a single image. As you can see, the character has remained perfectly consistent across all scenes, no matter the action or environment I chose. Before we dive in, can you please do me a quick favor? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. Your support means the world to me. To start with this tool, head over to Hailuo AI's website and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, go to the Create section. Then, click on the Subject Reference tab. Click here to upload the image or your character. To get the best results, choose a clear image of your characters facing the camera or slightly on the side. Avoid images that have filters, special effects, or objects blocking the face. If your image has multiple people, use the cropping tool to focus on the character you want. Remember to use only images owned by you and not upload photos of other people without their permission. You don't need a fancy prompt, simply write the character action, outfit, and the environment. This tool is pretty good at guessing the camera motion based on the character action, but if you want a specific camera motion, you can add it in your prompt. You can also add the character emotion like happy, sad, curious, or the scene atmosphere like scary, sensual, or funny. For clothing consistency, describe the outfits in detail. Once you're done, click here to generate. The AI will generate clothing based on your instructions. Hailuo AI currently supports only one reference image per video. If you want 2 or more characters in your video, use a reference image for your main character and describe the other character in your prompt. This tool is great for realistic, consistent character, but it struggles with anime characters, even when you specify the style in your prompt. To create videos of an anime character, try the image to video feature in Hailuo AI. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, check out my other tutorial on how to animate consistent character for free. Here are the prompts for some of the videos I generated in case you want to try them yourself.